Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses to an iPhone. You can connect your glasses to iPhone 15, 16 or 17, or if you're watching that sometime later, then the newer ones as well. Because they have the USB-C port, and you will need to first download the app for them. Of course, you can connect to your iPhone without having the app, but that will mean that your glasses will display the exact same thing as your iPhone. And sometimes it's just enough if you want to watch some YouTube or something, but in most cases, I think you'd be better off just downloading the app, so you can actually use the full potential and you can still watch YouTube there. So let's search for Spacewalker. Once you find Spacewalker, you'll need to get it. I already have it downloaded, so now I can easily just open it. Now I'll need to connect my glasses to the iPhone. You can use an adapter like this so your iPhone can still be charged, and it'll have like more capabilities with that adapter, but I don't have that adapter, so I'm just gonna connect it directly. And in order to do so, get the cable, plug it into your iPhone. Once it's in your iPhone, also plug it into the glasses. I'm gonna put them on first, or maybe I'll do that later. Yeah, I unfortunately won't be able to show you the screen of the glasses. I will try maybe a little bit, but we'll see that. Yeah, so as you can see now, my iPhone is connected and it works as a laser pointer. So if I move it around, it'll basically work as a laser pointer. You can click here to recenter it. You can click here to go to the home of the app, and here to go back. You can also change whether you want it to be the laser pointer or the trackpad. I'll actually prefer the laser pointer. By the way, you can also slide here. It works as a trackpad, you know, for sliding and stuff like that, but laser pointer is there to click on things. Then that's basically what you can do. There's pointer sensitivity and stuff like that. Now I'll put the glasses on. I'll see if it's already working. Yeah, it seems pretty working. And if I were to move my iPhone, it's gonna move around. Now I'll try to show you what's showing here, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. That's pretty difficult, right? Yeah, there's some news showing there, whatever, but you can basically navigate the app pretty easily by using your iPhone as a laser pointer, slide to go through pages, and that's basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.